Good morning, parents. Today I'm going to show you how to log on to IRead on a computer or laptop. So you would go to the browser and type IRead and go to the second link that says Family Portal. And you'll see this screen. You'll go to login. And then you would put in our school zip code is 92251. Hit OK. And then Imperial Unified School District. And here's where you would type in your child's 5300 number twice in the user and the password. And then you would hit this big red button, IRead. It is sometimes a little slow, so you have to be a little patient with the program. If it happens to log you out, you could just log out and then log back in.
Hey, I'm glad you're back. Let's get to work.
So this IRead goes with our curriculum. It goes over letters, sounds, sight words. It has books that they could read, and it's a game that they would complete maybe every night for 15 minutes. They would click on the arrow. It's being extra slow today.
Five Little Monkeys by Amy Helfer, illustrated by Chris Barrett and Dominic Venuti.
Have you heard about the 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed? One by one they fall off and bump their head.
So here's an example of
I have a plan. Ready to...
of a story they could read with you at home. They can read it or you can read it with them.
Click play to start reading. Click read aloud to hear the book read to you.
Five little monkeys.
All right, so if you have any questions, make sure to email or send me a text through Remind, and I will
Click the
be glad to help you guys out. Thank you. Have a great day.